वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग वीडियो नंबर 8 और आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है एडवांटेज ऑफ पाइथन। तो पाइथन इज अ हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज विथ अ सिंटैक्स दैट इज सिमिलर टू इंग्लिश, मेकिंग इट इज इजी choice for beginner to understand and learn the Python programming. So Python is free and open source so that anyone can download and use it right away. As the code is simple, the productivity is comparatively higher than other programming language. So Python is a system independent programming language, which means you do not need to change your code when using it on different platform. So whenever there is an error, Python halt the coding until the error is resolved. So this help in creating error free code. So Python, using Python, numerous Python package in its vast library and use library Python support, and it helps the user to work on various application development very easily. So Python is a dynamically typed and garbage collected language that aims to help a programmer, a developer write clear and logical code for both small and large scale application या project. तो इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल.